Good evening, friends. On this occasion, tonight we have a meeting that will discuss about reorganizing the postal service. I think the current sorting is inefficient because most of them are located in the city center, which makes access routes for difficult trucks. They also do not allow for efficient work methods. For example, in one large sorter, 3 million liters a day must be moved from one floor of a building to another. The new sorting office will have new automated machines that can scan and read address and sort mail. The current machines process 25,000 liters per hour. The new one will be capable of processing 40,000 manual sorts, only processing about 1,600 letters per hour. The new machines also allow automatic sorting such as sorting mail according to the route a postman or postal service takes, which means a profit of 2 hours per day for each postal service. A further step of the new technology will involve robots automatically moving mail containers around a sorting center. For further information, we invite our finance director.
I am really in favor of the plan. I will present the cost and saving as follows. First, the cost of building the 3 new centers will be the equivalent of about 1 billion euro, but at least half of this will be recovered by selling the existing buildings which are in expensive city center location. 2. New equipment include machines, trucks, and railway wagons will cost another 50 million euro. 3. A redundancy package and training programs for the staff laid off will cost 100 million euro. And last, the restructuring will save 200 million euro a year in salaries and in eliminating the unnecessary costs involved in transporting mail between different sorting offices. In other words, we will start making a large profit within 4.
Good. Okay. Go on to the Director of Human Resources, please.
I understand the need for efficiency and profitability. I'm not sure that this plan is a good idea, as it will result in 4,500 people being unemployed. According to the famous adage of management theorist Peter Drucker, efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right thing. I don't think efficiency should be the only preparation of organization. And I don't think destroying so much work is the right thing to do. I think the post office should try to find another job in the organization for people who have lost their job in the sorting office. For example, being the post office or in technical and maintenance work, and I support the latest plan in which the post office to several secondary sorting office across the country, as well as 3 main post office. Thank you.
Okay. Proceed to the trade union representative, please.
I'm wholly against the plan as it member job. I believe to 20 perception for the small probability of the perception may purpose and 95 perception for the big is the success of the perception may mention because many other current employees will not be able to work in the new sorting office as this will involve too much traveling time. I believe that the post office should remain a public service and review any job as possible. Besides, I believe that staff moral will fall drastically if the plan goes ahead. This will not help productivity. I believe I believe that the post office should build at least 8 smaller new countries spread all over the country. Thank you.
What is the small probability of the perception you propose? And how big is the success of the perception you mentioned?
I believe 20% for the small probability of the perception my purpose and 94 or 95 perception.
Okay, that's all today meetings. Thank you to colleagues who have participated in today's meeting. Hopeful our company will grow and be better in the future. Cheers to all of us and good night. Introducing, my name is Damara Diratna. This time I am acting as Chief Executive Officer.
Introducing, my name is Intan Sari. This time, I am acting as financial director.
Introducing, my name is Yani Rahmawati Nurul Hidayah as trade union representative.
Introducing, my name is Rizky Saputra. This time I'm acting as Human Resource Director.